Good morning, welcome to ABC123 Traders. About 10 minutes after the market open, and now let's start taking a look of how the market is starting to react. So the bottom line is, do you really want to counter trend trade, which a lot of traders will look at? And this, I know this screen looks really noisy, but we'll simplify it right away here. Let's start looking at the top-down approach. I did a video a few minutes ago, but now I want to show you what I'm going to be looking at. As you can see, everything is pointing down. We're actually technically supposed to be in a buy face, but it inverted. But look at all our energies are still pointing down. You can see our candle wants to push farther down, which is going right now at this point in time. But I'm going to be waiting until that one indicator, the leveler, is going to start activating here pretty soon. But look at this, we're at negative 3%. Okay, why do you want to go against a trend at negative 3%? We have to see exactly what's going to happen. All these little white lines here right now that you see, a whole bunch of them, these were all the previous institution lines that we have written over the past few weeks. Okay, and these color-coded ones are the same as the white ones, but I have an option that you can just thin them out for the trading. What I use the color codes are for the days of the week. So reds are Monday. These are reds are Monday colors. You know, like the color of the rainbow. So, you know, red and yellow. So yellow is Tuesday, pink, green would be Thursday. And what I want to know is just what day I mark them and how thick is how far back. But what I do is on my regular chart, then I just thin them out and saying, okay, here's all my institutions. So we know these are older and older and older lines. Okay. Now, as for my previous videos, there is as well, you know, the leap tracker. Leap tracker is pointing down. Day trend right now is pointing down. Institution line is pointing down. Everything is pointing down. Even the fib retrace went red to green, back to red. Why are we playing these games? It's too volatile right now. Right now we're moving almost close to almost $900 at a time here. So it's too fast. So we just gotta give it some patience. Be patient. Wait. We're still at 3.5%. It went up to 2.5% this morning. And now, within 2 minutes, I could have had the 915 on, but I didn't put it on there. I want to use the leveler to see which direction we can go. Once it's marked, we can give it a shot. We'll take a look as well as the Williams, see what direction the Williams is. The Williams did a peak and a drop off right now. And what we're going to do is we'll just probably scalp maybe hopefully $200 to $300. Let me see, we're at 1137. Well, we could maybe even go down to actually a couple thousand. It all depends how fast we're moving here. It's just too fast. I don't like it, but we'll wait. The only contradiction that we have on this market is at 9:45. Usually it's saying it could be a sell-off, a buy-off, a sell-off. But what I might have to do is I might have to wait till 10 o'clock or 10:15 until we get out of this zone before we can trade. But we will wait until this candle is produced and see exactly what's going to happen here. And when she's produced, then what we can do is set up our lines, see exactly how big the zone is. As you can see, the zone is going to be from here to here. So we created our zone. There's our target 1. So within this zone, we do not trade. This is our whole area that we're not trading now. So we've got a big area that we're not even worried about. We're still below market open. This was market open price. And so if it's at 1160, see how fast she's popping up. If it breaks this target 1, Wow, that's really wild. That's a big move. Let me just reload this just in case if I have to just check something out here. No, it is. It's all marked up. Wow, I'm impressed. So as you can see, what we're going to do, what we have to do is we just got to be wait and see. As you can see from target 1, target 2, and fib targets, they're all lining up, so it's a very tight candle. So this would be our breakout from target 1 to Fibonacci target, which could be at the institution line. But we're going to give it some time here because I think it's going to oscillate for a while. Because I don't like, we went from -3.5 to, look at that, to -2 there. So that's very fast. So we'll just give it some time and see what happens. Okay, sorry about this crazy video. I'm gonna wrap this up. It's so fast. I was waiting for it to go down because it's following the bias trend, but once I watch it go up, hit the V up, come back down. Okay, sorry. Now I'm gonna show you this video here. It's crazy. This the market is crazy. It's too volatile for me to trade. It's moving $700 pretty much a minute, and that was a 5-second trade for $320, which is kind of nice to scalp it. It was a breakout to the upside, and what I wanted to do is I wanted to move my targets, but the data feed is there's so much volume flying through right now. I could move my targets, so I said I'm closing my trade immediately. That's why I hit the close button. If I can't control my trade, then I'm like, I don't want to trade at this point in time. So I created $320 within 5 seconds. That's not bad for I guess a day's work. It took me, on this video it shows 30 minutes, and of course when I'm done this video I'm going to truncate it to a couple of minutes here, but my goal was to hit the fib target line 1. But like I said, if I can't control my my stops and my targets, then I won't trade it. Other than that, if you have any questions, feel free to email me at abc123trader. Just make sure you pinpoint your trades, trade safe, and have a great day. Bye.